Hi gorgeous! So we are knocking out foundations left and right. Today is no difference. We're going to go in and get down to the nitty gritty with this from Too Faced. This is the Born This Way Healthy Glow Moisturizing Skin Tint with an SPF of 30. I'm wearing it right now, so let's see how it went. This has a watermelon, apple, and hyaluronic acid. Let's see what else we're working with. Okay, so this is the Too Faced Born This Way Healthy Glow Moisturizing Skin Tint with an SPF of 30. Mine is in the shade Warm Nude. This skin tint has 18 shades, which typically means it's going to be a tinted moisturizer, not much coverage, because fewer the shades means it's going to be forgiving for all skin types, which means one shade could pretty much cover a solid range of skin types and not just the one specific color of skin. This is a $42 skin tint. That's up there. Light coverage, check. Hydrating. It is a vegan product, long wearing, 24-hour wear, and hydration. And as we know, it has an SPF of 30, has a natural finish. It says light coverage under the highlights, but it also says medium coverage under about this product. So, we shall see. Oh, I don't know. When you don't have that many shades that you're providing for everyone that you're providing for that consumer, you're kind of cutting yourself short when it's like medium buildable coverage, because that's a pretty solid amount of coverage, and not everyone can work on 18 shades. Do you know it? Does that make any sense at all? But anyway, let's just get down to the nitty gritty. This says sponge application, and it also says fingertip application. Now, you know, on this channel, I don't do fingertip applications at all. Hardly ever. So, I mean, today for this product, I guess I can make a little exception. And we'll see what we're working with the fingertip. It says shake well before usage. Check. And let's get down to the nitty gritty. Definitely liquid. Let's see what kind of coverage we get just doing that small amount. It's a very pretty shade. It is. Very pretty. So you saw with that little bit, that's a nice amount of coverage circumference-wise. Now we can still see a couple spots peeking out from my skin. Let's go in with some more. I just really quickly need to show you what is beside me right now, just for a quick moment of cuteness. Hi, Sam. You like the box? Say hello. Yep, he's chilling right beside me. We love it. Okay, let's go back in. Okay, so this is fingertip application. I don't know why. I am not the biggest fan of using my fingertip. Not that there's anything wrong with it. It's probably just because I've been taught to use an applicator that's not your phalanges. But if that's what they suggest. And I'm loving, like, I really think, you know, the Healthy Glow SPF of 30 moisturizing skin tint. They're thinking summer's coming up. Let's give them something they can just rub on. They're protected, they're glowing, they have healthy looking skin, you know, like that's where I think they were going with this product. So I can definitely respect it. It is a pretty color and it does look really, really lightweight. So this doesn't have any product. This does, obviously. That Warm Nude is like the fact that it's pretty neutral and does not have those reddish orangey undertones is fabulous for me. Like, that was a really good color match for my skin. Now Let's go in with a damp beauty blender. Gonna go in with this much. Yeah, so you can see there's definitely coverage. Obviously. So it does look really good, and by healthy glow, I mean this isn't going to be a shiny, you know, the Kosas, what is it called, IV, whatever, I don't know. I didn't get that, but it's not, or the Huda Beauty Glow Wish where there's so much shine and sheen and oh my gosh, you just blinded me with your foundation. This is definitely not that, but I see where they're giving you healthy looking skin. Like we just look hydrated, refreshed. It does look very healthy. It's almost on the, not the packaging, but the product itself is giving me Merit vibes. But you know, awake, refreshed, and ready to go. Like you didn't work all week. That's what it's giving me. Gorgeous! That is really pretty. This is with the sponge. That's with my fingers. I mean, it looks fine. It really does. I just feel like, I don't know, maybe it's because I do skincare and, you know, the primer, and then I go in with my fingers and I have to do like this. And it's like you're kind of rubbing around all that you just did, and that's gonna up your chances on getting, you know, kind of clumpy, cakey, moving stuff. Like I'm just not here for it. And there's nothing wrong if you do that. I don't care. Okay, it says it's buildable. Now I want it to be buildable without looking like we put on a bunch of makeup. Us as consumers, we are picky. I want to look flawless, but without looking like I put on any makeup. We'll get right on that. Okay, so this does look good. Like this is a beautiful everyday foundation. I feel like I don't look like my skin looks perfect. There is coverage there for sure. You know, it covered up some discoloration. I feel like I look healthy and like with that natural, I don't want to use the word glow, but you know, I just look like a vibrant, happy human being. I'm literally taking a selfie because I absolutely want to show you like all aspects that I can. That's why I've been filming here lately, because this is absolutely 100% natural light. There's no other light on me, and that's just the best way for you to see like the nitty gritty of the product. Now let's go in with a little bit of concealer. This is not new, but obviously like I haven't tried it before, so I did get, I don't know. So I did get the mini size. This is the Kosas Revealer Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer. Mine is in the shade 03W, light with subtle golden undertones. This is like one of those, oh, you just have to have it, everybody needs it, so I had to buy it too. Oh, whoops, I did not get a brightening shade. It's definitely just golden. Oh well, let's see how she blends. Well, I can set it with a powder that kind of brightens it up, but she blends well. Oh, actually, I don't know what's going on right there. I don't know if you can see that either. We'll just add more. Which, no, I wouldn't actually suggest you do that if that happens to you. Okay. So it does look smooth. I got the wrong color for brightening. What this is actually going to do is conceal, not brighten. So I'm going to let that sit there. We'll conceal a little bit of a little bumps I got there. See how it conceals that, and I will fix this concealer. One sec. Boy, that looks so much better. Thank you, Givenchy, for the rescue. Not that this didn't work good. I just completely got the wrong shade. My fault, 110%. But I will use it to conceal. It did a good job. Okay, let's get this cranking. Gonna finish my makeup. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the look that I'm sticking with today. Makeup is finished, not doing lashes, keeping it kind of like a calm glam, if you will. The foundation, so far, I looked with my magnified mirror and I did notice a little bit of patching, though it looks beautiful from afar. Up close, and I mean like magnified up close, it definitely wasn't laying as nice as I've seen other foundations lay, but no big deal. That's like magnified vision right there. So from afar, you see it, I see it. I will take pictures and we'll see it in pictures in the natural light as well, and I'm gonna wear it all day. So right now it is 12 o'clock, well, 12:08 to be precise, and I have to go to work. So we'll see how it lasts through work and I will check back in. You guys, gorgeous girls, we're gonna look past my crazy appearance. You are not gonna believe it's 10:35 in the evening. I never record this late. I never film this late, but life is life. I had to work. I just got home and I wanted to pull through for you guys. So let's recap. We are testing the Too Faced Born This Way Healthy Glow with an SPF of 30 moisturizing skin tint. As I just told you, I did go to work. I worked all day. I obviously didn't touch it up or anything. Well, I worked when I finished filming the first part of this video, but you know, had a over 8-hour shift, and this is how we look. Okay, so I feel a little bad that I wasn't gung-ho about this product because, you know, I did a little sweating. I was walking around, you know, like I completely was working, not paying attention to makeup, not giving a darn about makeup, and she pulled through for me. She looks gorgeous. Let me get really close. Like, this is actually really pretty. I mean, of course there's creasing a little bit, but look at how nice. And I mean, even the secretion right here does not look bad at all. When you look up close and personal, of course, that's not the prettiest view, but from just like a normal human's length, it looks really good. This is like a solid everyday type product. Everyday wear. You don't look glammy. It doesn't look too heavy, too cakey. Like, this just looks gorgeous. This is a little gem. Okay, this is like a really good summer everyday product. I have tested 2 really good foundations. Like, okay, let me stop talking. I need to take this off. A little delusional, long day at work. I'm gonna wash this off. This is your reminder, your sign to go and do the same, do some skincare. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.